Oh my god, we're live! Let's be honest, guys. Can you understand any of what I'm putting on the screen right now? Yes. Alright, so this is currently what I'm working on. So Trainer Dario put out a video about 2 weeks ago about how we can save Bedwars by doing 1.20 Bedwars, and I was like, that's a good idea. I'm gonna code it. So I'm gonna try and show you what happens. So firstly, if your name is Dream, so if player.getName is equal to Dream, then you're now gonna say, I'm a loyal subscriber to the Book of James YouTube channel, and due to its high quality content as a large, just all of that stuff. That's one of the only good changes I've put in. Also, I'm gonna have to ping everyone because we only have one viewer. I haven't streamed in ages. I just need to see, has Carlbot decided to ping? It really doesn't look like it, you know. Oh, he has. Everyone, and you really need to stop Carlbot, because then I have to ping twice for the people who actually have a ping. Everyone join up, I'm live! I'm going to delete Carl's message because nobody likes Carl. Carl more like the message deleted. Shocked emoji. Yeah, I agree. Now we have 2 viewers. POV, I'm here. Gonna ask, what version is this on? Well, Echo. It's really hard to tell. If you check the title though, I've heard that it might actually give you a hint. Because I mean, it is pretty cool. But I heard that there's a possibility that by looking at the title, you might be able to find out what version we're on. That's just a hint from me. Anyway, so, I'm coding Bedwars, alright? I'm coding Bedwars. Oh, I've just... One sec, guys. Ugh. Someone's going to record that noise for later, aren't they? We have 3 viewers now, that's always a good sign. So, I'm going to show you what I've been cooking, alright? So, let's head to the MC wait screen, because I'm that cool. Do you like my production quality, guys? Need to start the server, because we're turning on the server that's currently on my PC. Excuse me, I am not a viewer. How are you not a viewer? You are viewing the stream at this current moment of time. Dude of coolness. As a dude of coolness yourself, I would think higher. I'm not a viewer. Back, hello. Okay, sure. Oh, look, it's a server. That's so cool. Alright, sure enough, will it let us join? It will. Alright. So, I'm still in 30 FOV from trying to do the thumbnail, but still. As you can see, my FPS is of the highest quality right now. Could I join? Probably not. I don't think my PC can handle hosting a server with more than 1 player. So, /start game, and the game starts. It's crazy. I bet you never saw that coming. I'm also gonna get rid of all of my stuff because nobody Why won't you just go? That worked. Okay. And now it's started, and I'm the only one here. But that doesn't matter, guys. Oh, as you can see, my PC is doing a great job at hosting the server. What are you doing right now? Rasmus, as you can see of this high quality, and Oakwicey, as you can see of this high quality, 65 seconds per frame gameplay, I'm currently making Bedwars. I'm coding it. Look at that, it's so cool, isn't it? So basically, guys, so you can fall and there's a custom death message. It's so epic. You never saw this coming. Also, you don't have insta death yet because I'm not gonna do that until I really need to. I fell into the void RIP, but oh no, guys, my bed has been destroyed. Ah, so now I have to jump into the void. And this time it should take me into spectator mode. I actually don't think I've uploaded that version of the plugin yet. Yeah, at the moment it just sends you back to spawn, but now on the scoreboard nobody exists anymore. So that's great. So the first order of business is to actually compile the plugin from the changes that I made yesterday, so I can actually see if dying as a final kill will actually send you into spectator mode. So I'm gonna change scenes now. I'm gonna change scenes because we are gonna stop the server. Skill issue or elbows. Yeah, that's actually a good idea. I should probably do that. Alright, 1 second, I'll do that right now. Okay, now we've done that, I think we can compile the plugin. So we've made some very meaningful and important changes. Now the question is, will the plugin compile? Because I'm currently streaming right now. Or do we get an error? This is very intense. Are you going to make it public or are you coding for fun? I'm hoping to make it public, but I'm broke. So the question is if I'm actually able... There's no errors. Build success. Okay, now I can install the stuff onto the server. Absolutely lovely. Alright, target. And then we're gonna put target into plugins. Is that the right plugins folder? No, it isn't. How about this plugins folder? This plugins folder? This is the right plugins folder. Okay. I know you can't see any of this, let's go. Yes, I've installed it correctly, guys. Alright. Let's turn on the server. Let's turn it on. We've got 5 concurrent viewers, that doesn't make sense. This is a coding video. Nobody understands what's here. I'll just show you it again. If any of you can decipher what a specific line does, then I will give you a shout out, even though I give people shout outs normally. Alright. What does this line do? What does this line do, guys? Can you tell me what it does? If it does, it gets a shout out. You get a shout out. I know people are gonna Google it up. It looks like God. Okay, yeah. None of you have a clue. I had a feeling that's the case. Oh, that's an error. Hold up. We've got an error up here. We've got an error. Stop going down to the bottom. Okay, there we go. Now it's stopped. What have I done? Cannot invoke is null. Is this anything to do with my plugin? I don't think it is. No, okay, we'll just ignore it then. I'll just join up. Alright then, so we're gonna see if we get a cool message when we die. So just to make sure the bed is placed back, absolutely. We're back to the high FPS gameplay. I should probably turn smooth lighting off because that would probably help. And I'm probably going to turn the render distance down as well. There we go. Now we're getting into the seconds per frame. Well, out of the seconds per frame thing. Alright, so now when we die, it should say you're actually bad at the game. The death message should say that. There you go, see? That's better, that's better. I think we've personally made an improvement to the plugin. Now, this is the real test. Oh yeah, look, I changed the thing as well. I know the IP, everyone. Herod, you don't. This is a different server now. I'm sorry, Herod, but sorry to ruin the party, but I changed the server. You can post it in there. I don't really care. It won't work. Anyway, it's time for me to jump off. Goodbye, everyone. He won't get demoted because I don't even care if he actually posts the IP in there because I'm spectator mode. Well, it didn't actually teleport me to where it should have teleported me. That's the only problem. But at least I'm spectator mode now. I'm in spectator mode, so that's always a good sign. See, that's nice and dandy. Alright, so I should probably place this bed back so we can go on to the next thing. Which is, what should we do? Why do I keep going this? I don't want to take any screenshots. Next thing that we should do is, I keep struggling for, I think we should, do the NPCs personally. So I'm gonna have to download Citizens, aren't I? Well, I mean, this is pretty cool, isn't it? As you can see, I haven't implemented game events yet. So, as you can see, Diamond 3 is still stuck on 0.59, because if you take a look at the code, which I know all of you, every one of you can understand what I'm writing here. Let me just find it. Where did I put it? It's up here. Where I set the scoreboard initially. There we go, right here. I've just set it to 0.59, but I haven't done any loops to actually update the number. So it just does that now. And it just stays like that. We could change it to anything, but I'm just keeping it there so it looks a little bit more realistic and looks like it's broke. I actually implement it. Makes it look like I've actually implemented the feature, but I haven't. Alright. We're actually on 6 concurrent viewers right now. Actually 5 now, but it says 6 on the graph, so I'm just going to take that number into account. So I need to find out why when I teleport the player when he's dead, why it doesn't actually teleport him to the location I want him to. So I'm going to find the death event, which I got right at the bottom. See, it's meant to teleport them to a specific location. Here. So what I think we're going to have to do. So if it didn't return true, then it wouldn't have been a successful teleport. So what I need to do is make it so when the entity respawns. Is there a respawn event? There might be a respawn event. That's a rickroll, guys, probably. I'm just doing it from experience. That's probably how it happens. Import. Let's just see if it happens. org.bucket.event.entity. And then player. Just type the dot again. It will give us some suggestions. Player respawn event? entity resurrect. Oh, it's called when the entity dies, so that isn't really much use to us. Alright, what about org.bucket.event.player? Event.player player R. Oh yes, we've got it. We've got it, bingo! We've got the player respawn event. Yes! Oh, you've got to love it when that happens. You've got to love it. So what I think we should do is we should do a... Actually, this is going to be a bit hard. Actually, you know what? This won't be hard at all. I've just realised. Because you just have to check if the player is eliminated. And if it's eliminated, then we'll teleport it to the location. If it's dead. So... I'm pretty sure it's after this one that we'd go for it. So, at event handler... public void, I think I usually do function types as, yeah, we'll do on player respawn and then we'll just do that. But what we have to do is we have to get an actual event, so we're going to do event player respawn event. I think you have to do it the other way around actually. Yeah, you do. Hello, sussy imposter. I'm coding Bedwars in 1.20. Just learned HTML, CSS, and JS. Nice. Console.log, that's very cool. Right now I'm coding in Java, which is a bit different, so bit different to JavaScript. New programmers, I get really annoyed when they say that Java and JavaScript are the same thing. They are not, they are so opposite. Just wanted to make sure you're not one of those people. I love coding too, I'll learn Java soon. Nice. Java's a bit annoying to learn at first, but once you get used to it, it's really good to learn. Right now I'm coding a bit of Bedwars. You know Trainer Dario's video? I'm kind of doing that at the moment. I'm trying to do what Trainer Dario said, you know, like a 1.20 Bedwars. That's kind of the idea. Nah, okay, that's good. You're not one of those people. Alright, so what we should be able to get is event.entity. So if event.entity, oh, we're gonna have to do one of my for loops again. Yeah, we will. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this for loop from earlier. Let's paste this here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do event. Oh, there's not dot get entity. Oh no, that's not good. What is there for that event then? Get player. Okay. By the way, what program I'm using right now? Eclipse. It's a good Java IDE. People prefer IntelliJ, but I've just used Eclipse the whole time. I'm listening to rambling and then beat myself up. Bye. Okay, this is weird. Get player. It's not a capital G at the start. So that's what we do on the player respawn, and then we'll remove this here. We'll remove this for loop here. So that should just make it a lot more useful for us. And then it means they'll actually get teleported into a different place. So if I just compile this plugin up real quick and we'll see it in action. See if it actually works. Wait, I've just realised, have I switched to the wrong profile? How did I not notice I was on streaming? I've been coding this the whole time. So sorry guys, I had no clue. Alright, my bad. We're just gonna set up a server. How did I not realise that I'd gone to the wrong scene? I'm so sorry. Alright, I need to put the plugin in the right place. Hello Smirky Triz, how are you? I am coding 1.20 Bedwars. Look at this, look at this. Are you ready? Tell me if you understand any of this right now. Yeah, I've coded all of that. I'm doing stuff. Yeah, I need to actually shut down the server first if I want to actually do it. So goodbye. No, we're gonna restart it. I'm not a coder myself. Yeah, I had yeah. But I'm just doing it on stream so I can get live feedback from the viewers. Even if you don't know coding, you might have good ideas for the thing. Alright. Oh, Armex is here. Hello, Armex. Hey, Blockit, what if I make you a stinger transition? Yes, please. That would be really good. And never send you to like the pre-stream timer. Well, you said like 5 seconds of it. To give you credit where credit is due. Alright. Let's test it out. So I'll just /start game it. Wait, let's hope I place the bed back. That would be a bit stupid if I didn't. Okay, I didn't. Okay, nice. Hello, BMX. Welcome along to the most epic seconds per frame gameplay ever. No way it's Blockit James. No way it's Bart McBrown Sauce. My favourite YouTuber. I've idolised you for a very long time. So are you part of the development team or something? No, I'm just making this on myself. It's a personal thing. I just stole the idea from Trainer Dario. He kept saying if, and I'm like, I can code it, sure. So I'm just coding it myself. Alright lads, time to break my own bed. I'm still in creative mode, I didn't even realise. I'm your best friend. It'll come into my head once you say it. Wait, is it petrified? Is make Donkey Kong in Scratch. Scratch! That's old school, that's very old school. But still respect. Respect for learning Scratch is a good way to start off. I'm really charismatic. That rings a bell, but I've completely forgotten. Oh, Herod 1 is on a deleting message rampage again. Anyway, so now, when I fall into the void, if everything goes well and my recent coding modifications are correct, then it should actually teleport me up there. Because last time it didn't. Let's see what happens. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. Why? Firstly, why didn't it teleport me? Yes, yes, I saw your message. I've seen your message. Guys, he lives on. Yeah, I'm not gonna read out your address. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. I know who you are. You helped me get a video to 700. Please put me in video. Shout out to Wait, what's your IGN again? I completely forgot. Piggy Smalls' brother. No. I'm sorry, chat. You're not getting hold of this information. Yes, mods, come on. Yeah, for real. It's very sad. Actually, it's on 8 viewers now. Well, according to my YouTube studio, but on the actual site it says 6 viewers. So, I need to understand why on earth it just decides to respawn me back over here and it doesn't... Why don't I just set the respawn point at the last minute? I could just do that, couldn't I? Yeah, alright. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna stop this down. And then we're gonna head back to code. So, in the code, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do something very, very cool. Whoa. Okay, that's very interesting. So this clearly isn't what... Yeah, so this clearly isn't working. James, didn't you say that you were done with Bedwars SMP? This technically isn't related to the Bedwars SMP. This is just Bedwars in 1.20. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of my recent nefarious activities and we're just gonna Control Z. Get rid of this event altogether. We can join and stuff. I hope so, yeah. Oh, Max, I don't know what you're on about. I keep reminding you, this isn't the Bedwars SMP. It'll probably be like Bedwars SMP. I hope to make it public, you know. I hope to make it public. I love how Herod is so strict about deleting messages. It's just so funny. Alright, where was I? So instead of teleporting them, we can do event dot get entity can still code, but I can't spell. Dot. I still can't spell. Smell? I still can't spell. Oh. Oh, alright. So. What do you mean? What do you... Oh. Okay, I see what's going on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to do set spawn point. Set... Actually, I'm pretty sure I did this somewhere earlier. Because I have to do bed spawn points when we load in to the actual thing. So it's all going to be all the way up here. Get spawn location. Yeah, okay, so we have to do it all the way up here. Set bed spawn location. Alright. Hello Teal and welcome. James, you forgot your mashed potatoes and fish cam. Yeah, I might have to add that back in. This is a special coding edition. Bed. Set bed spawn location. True. And then we'll set this spawn location to a new location, which is here. And now, please, 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 please. Work. Let's compile, guys. Let's compile. Oh wow. Alright, please don't end up in an error. It's testing. How do you eat bagels? I usually eat them like I hold it like normal. Like, you know, I hold it horizontally. And then I bite into the no, I don't eat each half. Yeah, I do cut it. I cut it in half. I cut it in half and I eat each half individually because I usually toast it. You see. It's very nice in a toaster. And then you put like honey on it or... Well, to be honest, cheese and ham in a sandwich is pretty good as well, but... I prefer like Marmite on... Like, I mean, I'm not sure if Marmite even exists in America. Because... America. I mean, the sandwich method does exist. It's a very good method in my humble opinion. The sandwich method doesn't get much, you know, publicity. Anyway. Time to start up the server. Loading libraries, please wait. Plugin remapper. Any second now, you're gonna... By the way, football. That's the wrong football, in my opinion. And in most people's opinions, it's just... America has made its own football. And we don't even use the foot in the ball, but it's still called football because here in the United States of America, we don't really care. So, yeah. Anyway, where was I? Let's go. What program are you using? Like which IDE? Eclipse, if that's the case. I've just realised I need to be in creative or survival. Survival works. Wait. Have we replaced the bed? Oh damn it. Okay, so my bed's about to be immediately destroyed. As I can change it. Yeah, my bed's already gone. Because I forgot to change it. Okay. Please. Please. Let's jump off. Please spawn me. In the middle of the map. Yes! Well, I mean, is this the right location that I told it to do? 5.5. Yep, that looks all correct. It works! Yes! Guys, are you proud of me? Are you proud of me? Isn't that like so cool? Are you ready for the creative mode clutch? Oh, this is going to be an infinite death now, isn't it? Why is Herod deleting all of his messages again? Also, guys, do you like my message, our new death message? Yeah, it gets roasted by his own server. Yeah. Okay, lads. We're gonna put the bed back. And now we've got all of that sorted out. I think it's time to get started on the shopkeeper. Also, we need to do block protection, because right now, in the middle of a game, you can just destroy the map. There is no limit to what you can do. Generators also a big talking point, we need to do that. So, that'll be fun. Alright, without further ado, let's get on with it. First thing I need to find the citizens plugin. So, don't know what you guys are going to watch for a few minutes. I know. Ayo, what? I know, right? I know, right? It's just Armex has a thing with saying things like that. That was a boy, and that was my brother's friend, who was really squeaky. Bro, this is the most intense rumour since... What rumour? That wasn't even my mum. Alright. Reaction? Bro filmed his reaction and everything. Okay. So that's funny. What now? What is our next plan? I hope you're all enjoying the very entertaining noises. Anyway, it's time for me to do some citizens. So firstly, I need to find the project where I actually did citizens. And find the XML file, the pom.xml file, so I can actually, pyrmc and GUI pom.xml, so I can find the dependencies that I need. Oh, you can't even see half of that because of the way it's all done. Alright, I have it here. Let me copy this dependency. And then we get rid of this so it's confusing. And now what we do is we go to the pom.xml here. That was testing out new... No, actually, that's a good point. I was training for the tournament. I was doing TNT run. That's all I remember. Paste it in here. We've got an error. Wait, that's because we need to remove this line. So now, what we should be able to do is we should be able to import citizens. Day of the new update. That's so cool, Harad. What's the import for citizens again? I completely forgot. Back to my other plugin. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Net.citizens.citizens API. Okay. Copy. Paste into here. Close this so you can see again. Remove this. Save. Now, we're gonna have to, oh man, we're gonna have to do some NPC stuff. We're gonna have to do NPC locations. I don't like this. Yeah, you know what, I think I'm gonna leave as well. I'm really not bothered to do like a million, yeah, I'm not really bothered to do any, locations for NPCs because that's just gonna be so annoying. Ah! Alright. I'll see you later for the next devlog stream, which is gonna be so cool and epic. I know what, I might actually start coding this right after I finish this, but you never know. See you later.